ends in an... Oh, no, it doesn't. There's a few ways in it, aren't there? But they're in exactly the right place for you. Yeah. I am spatchcocking. I've spatchcocked this medium-sized chicken. Done a few slits. As you can see, a spatchcocked slit there. Sorry, vegetarian people. And I've done a couple of slits. And I'm going to put in some pesto. I've done some salt, and I'll do pepper. I'll add a pesto, and I'll bake, roast it in the oven. So what I've got here is spatchcocked the chicken. I've put salt, and now I'm going to put some more pepper. And there. Might do a bit underneath as well. And I'm not going to oil this. This is an idea that I've taken from Jamie Oliver when he did his tzatziki. I'm going to put pesto. I got this fresh pesto from Rana. Yallah, come on. Ugh. Open that. Feel like that's nice fresh pesto. What I'm going to do, I'm going to paste it all over this. I've got a rubber glove on, and I will paste all that. Oh, it smells lush. I'm going to paste all that onto here. And I'll cook that. I don't need extra oil or anything. It's all in the pesto. I'm going to cook that in the oven. Got the oven on really high at the moment, and I'll put it down, not high side, I'll put it down to gas 4. Cook it for an hour. Do as much as I can there. So I'll do that. Get right in there. Whatever's left, it's going to take it. And I'll do the other side as well. I'll do the other side here as well. Do the inside. Just a little bit for flavour. Put that. Give that a good massage. So it's all basil and chicken spatchcocked. And again, I'll turn it back over and I'll put this on. And I think I'll put it on the tray here. So this is my tray. I'm going to put the spatchcocked chicken in here, like so. Get that like this, and get that like that. As you can see, spatchcocked like this. It's good. That's okay to leave it out like that. And then I've got whatever's got left, I'll put there. And I'll cook that for an hour. That's a good thing about spatchcocking. You just put it in for an hour. You're taking out you don't need to worry about the cavity, just as long as you cook that. I'm going to put on gas 4 or gas 5. Let's put on gas 5. Whatever suits you. I don't need to add any other flavours. The oil's in there, cheese in there, garlic's in there, basil, everything's in there. I'm not going to put anything on the sides. The fat will come down and bring its own steam. And that's it. That's all we need. Let's see how it goes. Well, that's my chicken so far. And I think I've done it for 1 hour on gas 6. I think another 15 minutes. Another 15 minutes and it's done. Because I think it looks brown, but look, yeah, it needs a bit. 15 minutes, I think. Let's watch this, see how it comes out. And there we are. That's what we want. Hour and 15 minutes on gas 6. Middle shelf. Let's check that. It's hot. Now I need to check the thickest part. Oh, it's steaming. It looks clear. It looks good. That's dry, that's good. It's just this part. I need to check. Yeah, this looks good. This looks very good. Yeah, look at that. Very good. Right, we're gonna have this. Thank you. I made this lovely salad. It's got rocket, red pepper, mini baby cucumbers, beetroot, baby beetroot, and it's got a little bit of tomato, and I've got these lovely olives by the Real Olive Company. I've just torn it through there, And it's lemon, thyme and black pepper olives. Very nice. These are delicious. And I'm going to put this goat's cheese, this Turkish goat's cheese. You can't see it in English, maybe that way, yeah. Well, it's just Turkish goat's cheese. Very nice. I'm going to add that, and the dressing is going to be red wine vinegar, olive oil and black pepper. Right, the dressing was red wine vinegar, olive oil. I've put horseradish in there, mustard, whole grain mustard. I've put in there agave sweetener. I didn't have any honey. I wanted that. And salt and pepper. And it's very nice. It'll go with the salad.